Hey, this is just a quick and dirty response video because I really didn't show the floppies, so that's what I wanted to get here. So basically you see that little punch out area, you would punch that out for a double-sided. It seems like to me you could just flip these and use them twice as often with the double-sided or the single-sided drives, because it doesn't seem like that really would make a difference if that was missing to clean a single-sided just by flipping it over, once you've used it 30 times. But I think there actually was a warning or something about it. So yeah, it says once it's been removed, do not use the diskette in single-sided drive. So hey, I guess follow the warning, do what they say. But anyway, that was it, because I knew somebody was going to ask, what did the actual floppy look like inside? So that's the holes where you put the solution. You keep it as is with the label side up for a single-sided drive, and you would punch that little tab out if you had a double, if you're fancy and rich. Give me a subscribe because we'll have other weird, interesting stuff coming.